So I wanted to quickly make a video talking about a new Google Classroom update. This happened, I believe, within the last couple of weeks from Google. And what they've done is they've actually made it a little bit easier for teachers that teach the similar preps. Let's say you're an English teacher and you teach nothing but 11th grade English. So chances are a lot of your assignments are going to be the same throughout your courses, right? They might not start at the same time, but one class might be a little bit slower, another one might get ahead, but you want to go in there and schedule your assignments. Well, up to this point, you used to have to create an assignment and then go into your other classroom, make a copy, and then schedule that one. Well, now Google's actually streamlined that a little bit. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how you can create an assignment and then schedule it for all of your classes all at once. So I'm going to go here to our create, and we're going to create an assignment here. Now I have two classes here. They are 11th grade English classes just that I created for testing and to, demonstration purposes. So what should our assignment be? 10 ways that we can prepare for the Ides of March. Okay, so our students are going to go through and pull out 10 things from the story that should have, that could help us prepare for the Ides of March. Whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. I am no English teacher. I do not claim to be one, that's for sure. So now when I go up to this schedule button, what I can do, actually I have to assign, once I do this little check mark here, it'll actually allow me to then schedule that for both of those classes. So our first 11th grade English, which is this class that we're in, we're going to publish that. We're going to publish that first thing tomorrow. We'll give our kiddos a week to do it, and we're not going to put a topic on it or anything like that. My first period class, though, they've been a little bit behind, so they probably won't actually get to that probably till next Monday, and then they're going to have a due date. We'll also give them a week to work on that as well. Again, no topic. So now when I hit schedule, it's actually going to put that assignment in both of the classes. So you can see it here, 10 ways that we could prepare, schedule for tomorrow at 8. And then if I switch classes here to the other period and I go to classwork, I can see that is scheduled for July 11th. So that's going to be posted a week later. So this has just been a really quick, kind of a quick tip for Google Classroom. If you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to reach out at tj@tjhouston.com. Thank you.